Welcome back to Auto's Time Right. Today we're going to talk about a car that's been revived from the past with a modern twist, the Morris Minor 2025. For those who may not know, the original Morris Minor was a British icon, produced from 1948 to 1972. It was known for its simplicity, reliability, and charm. And now the Morris Minor is back with a 21st century makeover. The new Morris Minor 2025 has retained its classic looks but with a modern twist. It's got LED headlights, a touchscreen display, and advanced safety features. But what's really impressive is its electric powertrain. That's right, the Morris Minor 2025 is an electric car with a range of over 200 miles on a single charge. It's perfect for city driving, and with its compact size, it's easy to park and maneuver. Under the hood, the Morris Minor 2025 has a 40 kW pack, powering a 120 horsepower electric motor. It's not exactly fast, but it's got plenty of torque and acceleration for city driving. Inside, the Morris Minor 2025 is a blend of old and new. It's got vintage-style gauges, but also a modern infotainment system. The seats are comfortable, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. One of the most exciting things about the Morris Minor 2025 is its price. It's affordable, with a starting price under $30,000. That's right, you can own a piece of British motoring history without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Morris Minor 2025 is a fantastic revival of a classic car. Its combination of retro style, modern technology, and electric power makes it a truly unique driving experience. Thanks for watching Auto's Time Right. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We'll be taking a closer look at the Morris Minor 2025, so stay tuned for our in-depth review. And if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.